What's going on, everyone? Got a 2015 Hyundai Genesis, and this is how you reset the service interval in this car. You have a menu button right here on the steering wheel that we're going to use to scroll over. And we're going to get to this gear symbol here, which is user settings. And now you're going to use the wheel. Okay. The wheel is also your enter button. And go down to where it says service interval and hit enter. And what you're going to need to do to reset it, go ahead and go into the distance, and you can either reuse the miles or change the miles. Just hit enter and go through. Same thing with the months. If yours is set for any type of months, let's go ahead and set this one for 9 months. Alright, now once you've done that, you want to make sure that this is checked, and then hit back. And it'll ask you if you want to save. Hit yes, and that's it. You're all done.